The star of the show today are these two absolutely beautiful looking American Wagyu beef from Morgan Ranch. Oh, these look incredible. Cannot wait to get these out and seasoned and put on the grill. There we go. I'll pat these dry just a little bit, get some of the excess moisture off of them. But not much is going to be going on to these before we put it on the grill. Nothing fancy. Pepper and salt. There's so much flavor packed into this already. Would hate to ruin it with trying to over season. And the far one from where you're standing, where you're watching, it's a little thicker. So I'm actually going to get the side of it. And to do that, this is a trick I've seen some other people do, and I've done a few times as well. Put some of the rub just on this right there, and you roll it around in there. You get the sides good and coated as well, because that's every exterior surface we want covered with rub to get an amazing caramelization going. The grill is ready. Let's get them on. We are rocking about 400 degrees, probably 450 right now. I've done this before. Too hot of fire just makes it too burned, too acidic. This will be good. Make sure it's good contact with the surface. Looks amazing. I'll go find some tongs and be right back. Smelling great already. Give them a rotate. There you go. Okay. Gorgeous. How I expected. The fat is just spewing out of the steak, causing the fire to build up a little higher. So that way, how we're going to prevent that further, damper down the barbecue down below. But this looks absolutely great. Do the last excuse me, do the last rotate here. We're just about done. I'm gonna go for broke and put these a little closer in, make sure we get a good sear. Searing is done. Take them off. Direct heat. Now it would be indirect and I'll come up with temperatures the rest of the way slowly and not be too cooked inside. However, you can see here that looks a little bit unrendered for the fat. So we're gonna do some sanding here. There we go. Now just like that, looks a lot better. Couple minutes, couple seconds, clears that right up. And I was kind of wonder about this guy too, so I'm gonna do him on the side. That'll be good. Okay. Come back to you when these are ready to take off. The thinner one is done. Now we're just watching this guy. I'm gonna flip him, make sure we get even cooking, even though we're doing searing. Heat still is down below, so any heat is gonna come from the bottom. Don't want it to be uneven cooked, top or bottom, for the cook. I think we are there. Feels really good. That's a great crust on that already. I can't wait to try this. gonna fall apart on me. Hope that doesn't happen. Let's let them rest in some tin foil, loosely wrapped. Right, kiddo? Want to see how we did?
Yeah.
Okay. Oof, this is gonna be a delicious steak, even if I overcooked it.
You might have overcooked it.
Well, I mean, you never know.
Yeah, it didn't look like you overcooked it.
I don't think so. You did a pretty good job. I mean, it was so expensive. You don't want to ruin a steak because it's just like burning money up, literally. Yeah, that's a good looking steak. Let's do some more cutting.
Okay.
Oof. Okay. See how that looks so good. Okay. I'm gonna go set the camera up for a taste test, and we'll be right back. Looks amazing. Welcome back, everybody, to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. I purchased some Wagyu steak from Morgan Ranch. So full disclosure, they provided me some steak probably 4 years ago for free. They sent me a variety pack. It was absolutely incredible. The best steak I have ever had, hands down. It was great. And that was not just because I cooked it. The steak was absolutely amazing. I think some portions of it actually overcooked. Still absolutely incredible. Do you remember that steak over 4 years ago?
No.
No.
It was over 4 years ago.
It was over 4 years ago. Actually, more than that. So here's a video of this steak that we had from them.
See, I was so small then. because I was
Yeah, you
so
unscrewed the salt. You unscrewed the salt, and it all fell onto the steak. I thought it was absolutely ruined. It wasn't. Amazing steak. Absolutely incredible. I'm not going to delay this any longer. We have some amazing shirts on. Check that in the description for a link to go buy those. But in the meantime, oof, that's good. What do you think?
delicious.
Buttery. Amazing. Amazing steak. That's good. That's so good. You didn't want that.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Chicken.
Oh, okay. Want to try some? Pretty good steak?
Hmm?
Yeah. Again, this was not complimentary. We definitely paid for this one, but that's worth it. We bought a 4-pack, 4 14-ounce steaks, and they actually threw in a pound of ground Wagyu beef as well. We're gonna do some burgers on that this weekend too, I think. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your weekend. Have a great rest of your day. And as always, oh, she's too busy. She's too busy eating over there. Keep barbecuing America. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the interactions and then the feedback that we're getting. Thanks. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.